Hey y'all, so I wanted to make a quick video on this little concoction I put together. I thought it was a good idea and thought I would share. Let me know what you think, and I appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I got that guy at the store, Walmart, whatever, for like super cheap. Used it, I got a bunch of them. Anyways, usually I just throw them away, but I thought to be able to wash stuff, it'd be nice to just keep around. So I cleaned this all out, a bunch of soap and antibacterial soap and whatnot. Anyways, I found out that these little guys, these little bottles, maybe other soap bottles too will fit on it. But anyways, they screw into it. So what you can do is unscrew the cap, put a little bit of water in there. The thing's gonna be too long, so I'm gonna cut it. I may have cut it too far. Dang it. Anyways. Alright. A little soap bomber. Looks pretty good. And when you're done, you just unscrew the little guy. And you can rinse it off. Alright y'all, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd appreciate it if you'd like the video. And once again, please subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a great day.